Angola is a country located in southwestern Africa. It is the seventh largest country on the African continent and has a population of over 32 million people. The official language is Portuguese, and the country's capital and largest city is Luanda. Angola is a resource-rich country, with significant deposits of oil, diamonds, and other minerals. The country has experienced significant economic growth in recent years, but it also faces challenges such as poverty, corruption, and inadequate infrastructure. Angola has a rich cultural heritage, with diverse traditions and customs influenced by Portuguese, African, and other cultural traditions. The country is known for its music, dance, and cuisine, as well as its beautiful natural landscapes, including beaches, mountains, and wildlife. Angola has a complex political history, having experienced decades of civil war and political instability. The country gained independence from Portugal in 1975.